What's the first thing you should do after picking up your new or used Mercedes? With so many options and features, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry. In this video, we're diving into 16 crucial steps that will not only protect your investment, but also enhance your driving experience. So, whether you're a first-time owner or a Mercedes Pro, you won't want to miss these essential tips. Let's get started. Number 1. Install a dash cam. A dash cam is an invaluable tool for protecting your Mercedes on the road. It records video of accidents, near misses, or any road incidents, providing clear evidence for insurance claims or disputes. Professional installation ensures neat cable management and preserves your car's interior aesthetics. Number 2. Protect your Mercedes paint. Your Mercedes paint is a key part of its beauty. Protecting it with a ceramic coating or paint protection film, PPF, keeps the surface glossy, makes it easier to clean, and shields it from scratches, stone chips, and environmental damage, preserving the car's appearance over time. Number 3. Adjust intelligent lighting features. Mercedes offers advanced lighting features like automatic high beams and adaptive headlights. Properly adjusting them ensures enhanced visibility in low-light conditions while preventing glare for other drivers. These settings help you drive safely and comfortably at night or in various weather conditions, ensuring better overall driving experiences. Number 4. Disable the acoustic lock sound. The acoustic lock sound in some Mercedes models provides an audible cue when your car locks, enhancing security. However, if the beep is annoying, you can disable it through the car settings. Enjoy a quieter driving environment without sacrificing security by turning this feature off. Number 5. Learn all the tricks with your new key. The Mercedes key is packed with advanced features beyond just unlocking your car. From remote starting to setting personalized preferences like seat and mirror positions, learning how to utilize all the features of your key makes your experience more efficient and enjoyable every time you drive. Number 6. Replace run-flat tires. While run-flat tires offer convenience, they often compromise ride comfort and handling. Consider swapping them for premium tires like Michelin Pilot Sports. These provide better traction, a smoother ride, and enhanced overall performance, making your Mercedes feel even more responsive and enjoyable to drive. Number 7. Ensure you have the wheel key. Before driving your new or used Mercedes, make sure you have the wheel key, which is essential for removing the locking lug nuts when changing tires. It's typically stored in the glove box or trunk, so check it before your car's first tire rotation or service. Number 8. Set up your parking sensors. Parking sensors help you avoid accidents in tight spaces by alerting you to nearby obstacles. In your Mercedes, you can customize the warning tone, volume, and sensitivity of the sensors for optimal performance. Early alerts ensure you park safely without damaging your car or others' vehicles. Number 9. Protect your car from thieves with a Faraday pouch. A Faraday pouch is a small, effective tool to prevent car theft. It blocks the signal from your Mercedes key fob, making it impossible for thieves to access your car with signal-boosting devices. This simple and affordable accessory enhances your car's security and protects it from keyless entry theft. Number 10. Consider gap insurance. Gap insurance covers the difference between the current market value of your car and the amount you owe on it if your Mercedes is totaled. It's especially beneficial for high-value cars or those under financing, providing extra peace of mind in case of an unexpected loss or accident. These 10 tips will ensure you get the most out of your new or used Mercedes. From protecting your car to enjoying all its features, these steps are essential for a smooth ownership experience. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, enjoy the ride and take care of your Mercedes.